Here's how to answer the health coverage question in TurboTax, step by step. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to continue. Once the return is open, go to the Federal section, then choose Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax groups the entries that may affect your taxable income, including medical expenses. From there, open the Medical section. TurboTax will ask whether you spent more than the minimum amount required on medical expenses for the tax year. Read that prompt carefully and answer based on your situation. If you qualify to enter medical expenses, select Yes to move forward. If you are using records from receipts, statements, or insurance documents, keep those nearby so you can enter the amounts as you go. Next, enter your eligible medical expenses in the categories TurboTax provides. You may see fields for prescription medication expenses, medical professional fees, medical facility fees, and lab and x-ray fees. Continue through any long-term care services, eye care expenses, medical supplies and equipment, medical travel expenses, insurance premiums, other medical expenses, and medical reimbursements. For each category, type in the amount that applies to you. If a category does not apply, leave it as it is and continue. As you move through the medical section, click Continue after each part. TurboTax uses those entries to guide you from one category to the next. Take a moment to make sure each amount is entered in the correct place, especially if you have similar expenses that could fit more than one category. Insurance premiums and reimbursements deserve extra attention because they can affect the final deduction calculation. After all applicable medical expense categories have been entered, review your entries. Look over the amounts you added and confirm that the information is accurate. Check that prescription costs are listed correctly, that provider and facility fees match your records, and that any travel or equipment expenses are only included if they are part of your eligible medical costs. Also confirm that insurance premiums and any reimbursements are entered correctly, since those details can change the deduction TurboTax calculates. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, update it before moving on. The goal here is to make sure the medical section reflects the amounts you actually want included in your return. Once the review is complete, click Continue to save your answers and move to the next part of your tax return. TurboTax will keep your medical expense information as part of your return and take you forward to the next section. Your TurboTax medical expense answers are now entered, reviewed, and saved in your tax return.